Today is the day I finish putting this on.
In the state of mode, still on the roof, but it's a hoopy.
Yeah, you guys would have seen from the last video that it is kaput.
It's a bit of shit. To get some end caps, it's gonna look fucking professional.
You know, it does look fucking good, actual. It's a new day. Yesterday, as you guys saw, we welded this bar on, finally. And then after that, we ended up cutting this piece here off. Well, it used to be here, and that's up on that now, on that pile of shit. And we had some box in there that already been somewhat picked. It's this side grinded out and then welded up in there, so that is all one. And then it needs cut a little bit shorter and put in there in that bottom part, so more reinforcement. So I welded these bars together, and you know, that's about what.
Got some place.
Well, he's put it in place.
Brackets down there.
But that's all we've done since the camera's been out. Chopped that in. We fucked with the brackets, put that in place, welded it together, and I guess we'll be nice and record the rest. Instead
These
of
are the
not.
factory toe mounts. The toe hooks that bolt to there. So I just chopped the toe eye off them, and that's going to be the mount to bolt to there. So
Yep.
that bolt's there, that bolt's there. This one's not, but that's right. Also trying to get the radiator to mount nicely at the moment. The hose that was there, not sure where it is at the moment, but it was mounting it way over here, past the exhaust. So I'm going to try to push it all the way over in this corner, but it was too short. But I just found
Some of this.
that was the hose.
Oh damn, that is tiny.
Yeah, but I just found this.
So yeah, he's gonna replace it with this, I'm guessing.
Yep.
And I'm gonna cut the other toe.
It would
Hook
be nice
mount.
to put that radiator there and there, but
Yeah, but it's
gonna be put the radiator hose like through there, which is a bit close to the belts and the exhaust for our liking.
yeah, it's not ideal. And there's a Jacob. This one's fucking terrible. Oh, that's why it's terrible.
It's gonna be worse than the other side.
Oh fuck yeah, way worse. Shove my head in here and have a look. Oh there, boy. Come over here.
Yeah, but I couldn't see
Sure, let's go.
I couldn't see the hole.
Here, I'll grab it off. Go this way. That's how bent that side is. That's how bad that side is. Not as bad as the other fucking side.
Oh, no, didn't even. That's in the wall.
That's right.
Is that what we call you now? Calling on a call, Jacob.
Jacob.
Curly fries have just gone down under, mate.
Yeah, look at this. This is how you do it. Okay.
Okay.
And that's how it's done.
It's just burnt rubber in there now. Might need to clean it out before you get there.
Should we do a screw?
This goes there. This goes fucking there. This goes fucking there. He's not paid and he's starting telling you our subscribers this.
What should they do? Subscribe and maybe hit the like button.
Yo, Tim's Root Customs.
No. Why are you cleaning that?
So it looks nice.
Who the fuck cares?
Oh, me?
Why?
Because then when we stand up we go, that looks good.
That's the cameraman going.
Not bad, eh? Just watching trying to do lines.
Catching these sparks.
These can be into one an elephant noise.
An elephant noise.
Can I show them that noise so they know what they're winning?
What's...
Go on. That was shit. If he falls through, it means it needs another weld. He might have a sore leg.
Good bounce.
You're not good.
Strong as mate. I don't even know actually.
You could share like the
I'm useless at checking the Facebook page.
you could like share stuff to the Facebook page.
Yeah,
People looking on there.
We do, it's his job, but...
who the fuck is tooting out there?
Don't toot, man.
We live in the middle of nowhere, there's no traffic. What the fuck?
In caps on this for today. Tack the mounts that Johnny made yesterday in there.
Just tack them to that bar, put the end caps
Yeah,
on
end
there.
caps on there,
Other
on
ones
both
the other
sides.
side. Maybe even grab that. I'll look into this and see if we can put that either, you know, just there to hold that or something. I'll look at the top mount for this radiator. Our square body American Honda.
And then we need to take this starter motor.
Shitbox nation.
That's all we have is shitbox.
That's what we would have been called if it wasn't taken.
I tacked up the radiator mounts and tacked on one of the end caps. And yeah, that's about it so far. Just probably do about completely around the whole thing. And yeah, that's tacked in there. I'm just gonna leave it tacked in there. And I'm about to tack this one on here. And yeah, about it all up. And he is sorting out the top fucking radiator mount.
Yeah.
That one's just getting bolted in there. No bending tools needed, mate. Do it yourself. Be a man.
Just needs a hole drilled there for that end to bolt in, and then that there will sit like that, just across, and that there will go over that to hold the top of it in there.
It doesn't move as much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
What if we have a row of Robert?
Maybe. Probably not.
Actually, I'm hose.
Yeah. The end caps are all welded up now. Apart from the bottom, because it's fucked on that at the moment. So on this side. And he was doing something to this, but I don't know, so he can explain.
They just plugged the radiator hoses back to the motor and moved the earth from there, and it was here, to a bit nicer. And that there goes to the radiator.
Yeah,
Not anymore.
it did go to the radiator.
Needs this here to there, or maybe even some stronger ones because these are pretty fucking tight. It's a bit chunkier than that.
Yeah.
Might give our fans some more power.
More power, baby. We have painted the bars. We have been very slack with the camera today. But we've been getting shit done, so...
Yeah, it's a bit
Yeah.
tidier. Still don't like the red engine bay, but
Yeah, neither do I. We've got a starter motor in there from, you can guess what. See if we can get it going.
Fan wise, but otherwise, yeah.
We're pretty much up to seeing if it wants to turn over.
Radiator notes are all in.
Here. This is all done.
The breather's still snapped off. Not really sure how to. On the front there's that wee hole. Might have to JV weld it. A wee thing on there or something. Not sure.
See daylight from there. But yeah,
Looking good.
it is looking quite good now.
Tidy at least.